Welcome to the tutorial on how to make your own manger. This flyer has two halves. The top half contains information about our Christmas services. Detach it and use it as an invite for friends and family. In this video, we'll be focusing on the bottom half and how to make your own manger. The first step is to cut out the rectangle which will make the frame of the manger. Set this aside and then cut out the two crosses which will make the stands for the manger. Next, fold the rectangle in half across the solid line. Then, cut along the dotted lines, ensuring that you do not go all the way across. Once this is done, open the rectangle and you'll have two slots in which you'll insert the crosses. This next step is a little bit fiddly, and as you'll see, my fat fingers have a hard time doing it. Fold the rectangle at about 45 degrees and insert each cross one at a time into the slots which you have just cut. Well, hey! And now you have a manger. Why not use it to decorate your Christmas tree or anywhere else at home? Post a picture on our Facebook page showing us where you've put it. Merry Christmas from everyone here at Birmingham City Church.